certainly true, and the people should not be here who are here illegally, also true.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
I guessed on your program a number of times.
Place in National League East. KYW News Time, 12:49.
Assignments are complicated, but what we do know, we have... affecting most of the globe, most of the northern...
Thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Hendersonville or near Hemlock, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hendersonville, Columbus, Martin, Mills River, Fletcher, Flat Rock, Etowah, Mountain Calls, Laurel Park, and Lake Lure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Henderson, Polk, and Weatherford. damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Florida has a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Southern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Southern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm. And any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Roseville State Park, Sedalia, Town, Settek, Crosskeys, and Monarch Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Lawrence, and Union. So that...
Contrast is just not doing it justice. It's like so gray in the trees. Oh! That was cloud to ground. This rain is like actually blinding. It's like fog.
The NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. WX Cell 70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m.
Oh.
8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was
Took
located
a
over Albemarle,
good,
moving east at
delay.
25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Troy, Dayton Lake, Bisco, Clymer, Norwood. The hospital is facilitating severe thunderstorm warning to blow down
Is WPZS off the air?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. And other buildings. Keep shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from snow and flying debris generated by damage and winds can be deadly. If on or near Bay and Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember,
I'm not sure what's going on with WPZS.
He is this great leader king.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, eastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County in central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County in central North Carolina until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bisco, 8 miles southeast of Troy, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Norwood County, eastern.
Include Southern Pines, Troy, Carthage, Pinehurst, Bisco, Seagrove, Westbury Pines, Robbins, Foxfire, and Star. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, condemn mobile homes, and other buildings. Radar indicates you're in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows and flying debris generated by damage and winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Montgomery, North Carolina.
Over the top on that. But you're saying it's because she's
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ward County in central North Carolina, Scottsboro County in central North Carolina, southwestern Grant County in central North Carolina, eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, northwestern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Stop here.
At 9:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Pinehurst to 6 miles southeast of Hamlet, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and tracks. Locations in Mississippi include Lawrenceburg, Southern Pines, Wafer, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Maxton, Austin, Air Force Base, and Antioch. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows and flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Richmond, North Carolina. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations intended include Lawrenceburg, Southern Pines, Wafer, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Maxton, Austin, Hope, Air Force Base, and Antioch. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows and flying debris generated by damage and winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Richmond, North Carolina.
we are also a small firm.